Can you all hear me? Okay. Thank you. So we are on 3rd December today, and we had that RBI policy review yesterday. In case if you would have watched it live, you would have got a sense of why we shouldn't be trading on certain times. And today what we'll be doing is I've just switched on this trading tree for I've got the commodities, I've got the currency prices up here. So this is another software what we have. So I'm just taking the backfill only for USD INR. So I will show you how the calls are generated in trading tree, and again the futures tree, and the robo what we use, that is the PriceCatch robo what we use for getting better trades. So let me just start with the trading tree currency prices. Since it opens at 9 o'clock, we'll get a feel of how the market will turn out to be after 9:15. So I'm just opening the chart. So there you go. We had the sell call yesterday at around 120. The sell is still continuing here. So there's not much of it's a sort of a flat open for USD INR. So what we'll be doing is we'll just come back to our futures tree file. So this is the futures tree what we have, and you can trade in 30 scripts here at a single time. So we have some scripts on news. So I'll just add those scripts, and you'll be able to see that. So we have HDFC, TCS, ICICI, TATAMOTORS, JSWSTEEL, Syndicate Bank, UNIONBANK, ALBK. So let's start adding this. So you can add all the scripts that are there in the F&O segment. So in place of Axis, let me add HDFC. And S Bank, let's retain it there. So we'll be adding JSWSTEEL, Syndicate Bank, and Union Bank. Let me add Syndicate Bank here so that on the top row we'll have most of the banking scripts. So there I have added Union Bank. In place of CAN, I'll add JSW because that will form an pack, metals pack. ONGC, instead of Reliance, I would like to add JINDALSTEL. And in case of ARVIN, let's have CESC here, and in place of HCL Tech, I'll add ARVIN. HEROMOTOCO, we have a sell call, and we'll have to check it out. REL, let's retain this. I'll remove DLF and JP, and I'll add some other scripts on this place. So I'll add RELCAPITAL, JUBLFOOD here. So let's retain RANBAXY and SUNPHARMA. It's there in news. We'll remove ITC and then go for some other script. Let's have ASIANPAINT, and let's have APOLLOTYRE here. So let's start with this, and meanwhile we can even add some more scripts after the market opens also. Just a minute, I have another installation going on. I'll just complete that and then I'll come back to this. So today we'll be working on FuturesTree and the trading tree. And apart from this, in case if you are new, we have the PriceCatch, which actually helps us to place the orders faster. That is a ROBO. So you will be able to actually see how this works. So I have added all the scripts and all the segments, that is even MCX also. So we'll be able to place the trades very fast with this particular application. So what we have here is the name of the script. You can define your own quantities. I mean, I have just put it as one lot. And the stop loss you can define for when you want to define your own stop loss, you can do that also. And you can even define your targets. And apart from this, we have something called as, on the left side, once we click, we have something called as market buy and market short, where we can place orders at the current market price. So that is one advantage what we have. This is the window where we'll get the active trades, the trades which are running currently. We'll be getting the MTMs also, stop loss, target and all this. And the completed orders, that's orders what you are squared off will come here. And setting and options, we have various options. I am putting it on paper trading, but if you have Nest now, Angel DAT, Odin DAT, and MetaTrader, you can directly connect this to your terminal, and then you can it will automatically place the orders in your terminal. So we have certain money management, time management, and risk management facilities here. Money management, you can set your active profits. Let's say you want to make 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. You can set your profits here and active losses also. In time management, you want to trade at a certain time, you can do that also. And other than this, we have the manual orders where we can place the orders above or below, buy or sell above or below, and with a day order or a GTC order which will stay for 6 months in your system. So these are some of the things that we'll be seeing today, and all this is live. So you can check your terminal prices and the prices here, and you can compare the trades also. So this is a FuturesTree file. Let me just check what's happened to CNX. That's 4 points up. So that is what we have. So we can trade 30 scripts at a time here. You'll get the buy price and the sell price here, red and green. And you'll get the stop loss. And you'll get the percentage of profits that you make in case if a particular script reaches certain targets. So these are the things that we have here. So before the market opens, you will be clicking on the historical data. You will have your unique login ID, which will be giving you, and you'll be entering the date. Entering the date is nothing but the previous trading day, that was yesterday's date. And then we have something called as historical. This is nothing but the previous trading days data. We click on that and then we'll get the historical data. At 9:15 we'll click on this current day data button, which will get us the data feed. And there is a button here, auto refresh off. We'll put that on after 9:15 so that our data gets refreshed every 4 seconds. So initially we will be trading on this 30 scripts, and as we move further, I'll be adding some more scripts where we'll be generating new calls so that you can trade. And whenever you want to when you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box and I'll be able to answer you live. And the other thing what I would be doing is I'll be placing the orders. That is real-time orders, so you can see that, and I'll not be squaring them off. Maybe I'll square them off sometime, but overall you can just check the profit whatever a particular script makes. So we'll just wait for another 2 minutes and then we'll take the current day data, and simultaneously at 9:15 we'll be getting the data for the F&O scripts. And at 10 o'clock we'll be getting the data for commodity scripts. We'll be trading on both futures and commodities today. So that is the ring what you will get in PriceCatch. When the market opens, it will give you a ring. Then you can actually start. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking on the current day data button. So you'll be able to see at the left corner in the bottom, you will see a small icon which keeps rotating. So that actually means that the data is being uploaded, and you can see in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty, the prices are already there, and it will take some time, 1 minute or something like that, for the prices to come. So you can see HDFC Bank, we have the prices, ICICI, HDFC, we have the prices, and Cipla, L&T, HEROMOTOCS, these are ready. So it takes alphabetically. So you can see that has stopped. So what we'll do is we'll click on the auto refresh on button. Now we have BIOCON and CESC, L&T we have a buy, RELCAP we have a buy, So we can place our orders. So I'm just placing the orders. So you just click there and then say, so I haven't got the prices here still, so we'll have to wait. So I'll take RELCAP then.
Strategy alert.
So that is the alert what you get. And CESC we have a buy and RCOM we have a buy. CESC, RCOM and HDFC. So I haven't got the data here. Oh, sorry. It was in a pause mode. Sorry. So you have some scripts where you have this vertical red lines and the into mark, which means that these particular scripts are not ready for trading still. So what we'll be doing is, for this scripts, we'll be again taking the current day data at 9:20. We'll be clicking on this current day data button at 9:20 and we'll get prices for those also. So meanwhile, let me just try to place some more orders.
Strategy alert. Strategy alert.
So I'm placing orders.
Strategy alert.
So JSW, HEROMOTOCO, CESC, I think CESC I missed it out.
Strategy alert.
So we have the calls here, CSC, TCS is a sell call. Let me place the order for that. So sell call, you just
Strategy
do the
alert.
market short. You short it in the market price. So these are the active trades that are running now. And you'll be able to see your active profits here. So it's 9:20. What I'll do is I'll just put out the auto refresh on button and I'll click the current day data. So now you can see that the complete sheet has refreshed. And there's some calls like REL Infra, JINDALSTEEL, which have opened gap up. So we'll not be actually getting into those scripts. And you can see this icon rotating. So UNIONBANK, I'll place an order.
Strategy alert.
So we're in 4,000 rupees odd profit. JUBLFOOD I'll short, or let me just complete it. So once this is done, I'll just put it on auto refresh on and again put it on full screen mode. So what I will do is ONGC I will short, RANBAXY I will buy. So JUBLFOOD I will short.
Strategy alert.
RANBAXY I will buy. ONGC I will buy.
Strategy alert.
So I just put some orders. So you can just see that APOLLOTYRES, let's take a call on that.
Strategy alert.
So you can just see your active trades here. So RELCAP, you're already 3,900 rupees in profit. So if you want to square off, you can square off. So you have the entry levels. Entry levels, see, ARCOM, you have a buy call. So as soon as you get this green, you buy. That's you buy at the current market price, whichever is existing. Like what I have done. I have just clicked on those particular scripts. I've got the trades executed here. So we don't worry about this stop losses. Stop losses are mentioned here. Syndicate Bank, I have a call. Let's short that.
Strategy alert.
So JUBLFOOD, you can, I think you can see that now here. JUBLFOOD 2,900 profit. This profit, wherever you, if you feel that you have made enough profit, you can just square off those positions. But I'm not going to do that now. So I just want you to observe it. So meanwhile, what I'll do is, we have any other calls? ASIANPAINT, let me take a chance.
Strategy alert.
So meanwhile, what I will do now is I will just open the trading tree charts, which will help me to maximize my profits, because I will be knowing the trends here. I will be getting more calls here. So I will use the combination of both the softwares and we will trade now. So the stop loss is given here for each and every script. So in case if a particular script comes to the stop loss, you square off. And don't worry about the losses. At the end of the day, you'll be in profits. So in case if I missed the call in the FuturesTree, I can always place a call again in trading tree. Just seeing the chart levels, I'll be able to place the calls. You'll be going to see that. HDFC, we had a buy call. You can see that 940, 944. So I will square off this because it's already hit the stop loss. Sorry, HDFC. It's not HDFC Bank. 29.16. I think I'll square off this. So if it takes a stop loss, square it off. That's it. So now I have got a sell call in HDFC. So now what I'll do is I'll take that, I'll short that now.
Strategy alert.
Syndicate Bank, I have a sell call. So that's still continuing. SBI, I have a buy.
Strategy alert.
Yes Bank, I have a buy, so I've just missed this. So you should be able to catch the price at the entry level.
Strategy alert.
There is a sell call in ITC1.
So that is how the calls are generated. You'll get a voice alert with a pop-up. So you can just go to the chat, see the buy or the sell, and then place your trade. So meanwhile, I'll just show you what is the profit like. 3,500. Union Bank, I think Union Bank is 2,150. It has already done its final target. HEROMOTOCO, let's see if it has done the stop loss. It has done the stop loss. We can square that off. ARVIN, I think we entered. ARVIN, we have a buy call. HEROMOTOCO, I will square off. We'll enter ARVIN. It's a buy call.
Strategy alert.
JUBLFOOD, I think we can square off. It already did good profits. So I'm not squaring off certain positions. So it's up to you. I just wanted to show you how this works. So you can square off with, if you roughly ask me around, you would have made around 8 to 10,000 rupees by now.